Have you ever had it on your rigs where you want to make quick adjustments, but you're stuck having to unscrew awkwardly in the middle of a shoot in order to rotate this? Well, now you don't have to worry about that with this Tilta quick adjust Rosette adapter. So you push this in and it rotates round like so. And it's compatible with any Rosette mount. So I've got one on both sides here. And that means that in the middle of a shoot, if I want to go to a different grip, I can just push that in, rotate it around, and then I've got myself a different kind of grip. Yeah, you get that full 360 rotation, and once it's locked down, it's totally locked in place, because the mechanism works by pushing all the way to the end there. You push this bit, and then that becomes free to move around, as you can see, and then when you let go, it locks in place. Really, really solid. I think it's hard to find a downside with something like this. They just work. How they fit, screw each one into the handle that you're going to be using, and then it's kind of like an extension for that handle, and then you attach how you normally would attach your handle by putting your screw through to this thing instead. So yeah, you just insert it in between two places you normally would have the handle going directly onto something else. Pretty useful bit of kit. Yeah, another great product from Tilta.